Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Trina's Motivation. So today I'm going to show you how I made this lovely chicken foot and chicken soup. So there we have our main ingredients. Of course, pumpkin is a must. The pumpkin is what's going to give the lovely flavor. And we have our scallion, our thyme, carrots, chocho, Irish potato, and our real Jamaican yellow yam. Look at our chicken foot, well clean, nicely washed, and also our chicken ready to be poured into a boiling pot of water. And that's the way I do my chicken foot. I do it very nicely and small as well. They are washed and ready to be poured into the boiling water. I put my chicken foot and also some pumpkin. You'll see the reason I put the pumpkin at this time, but I also save some for later. Now this is my vegetable. I go in and I dice some and I put some in strips. Look at the color, guys. I don't know, I love color long time, And the yam, I don't do it very big. I'll do them in bite-sized pieces. This way, don't have to cook it for too long. All right, you see me telling you, look at the soup already, and the only thing that is there is the pumpkin and the chicken foot. Now, when the pumpkin is cooked out and give your water some color, you want to go in with the rest of your vegetable because the pot almost ready, almost ready. Look at that, guys. Look at the color. Look at the color, different colors, variety of colors. Then I go in with some spinners. Yeah, man. What a soup without dumpling. You need some dumpling in there, and I ensure that my dumplings are not very big. They are very small, and I go in and I make a few, and then I put my dumpling at that time. The pot a bubble, and you're ready for eat, But we are going with dumpling for another 5 minutes, and we are going to be going in with our chicken noodle. Look at the color already, guys. You said the soup almost ready, almost ready, but we have to go in with our chicken noodle. We can't do it without we can, but me like put the chicken noodle for extra flavor. Now this is the way I do it. That's not the way you do it, but this is how I do it. I pour the chicken noodle in a small container. I'm using a cup this time. Then I pour some hot water and then I mix it out. I think I got this from one of my friends, and I thought this is an excellent way to ensure everything is nicely mixed. This is about 5 minutes after my chicken noodle went in. Look at it, guys. Ready for eat. I will go with throw pepper in there to ensure we get some nice flavor. I can't keep the pepper in too long because my family don't do pepper. I'm the only person that loves the pepper, so I ensure I take it out. I have some frozen corn, and so I just throw some in. I really love soup. So this is my Saturday school chicken foot mixed with chicken, ready to eat. Look at the color, guys. Look at the consistency. Your vegetables are not overcooked, and that is why you put that in last. And I'm already enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video so far, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Comment what kind of soup you love. Me love every kind of soup, right? And so I drink soup Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, anytime. I drink soup at lunch, dinner, breakfast, even supper. But guys, I am definitely a soup lover. But it's bye for now. Until my next one.